Hey investors, it's been an eventful last month. It's almost like I say this every month, but the markets were very volatile again last month. In fact, it was so volatile that Project 1 million has plummeted. But on the bright side, stocks are starting to look interesting again. They've fallen to levels that in some cases look very cheap. I was busy in November buying, selling, and also in options. Let's take a look at the portfolio and the activities that I was up to in November. So at the end of November and at the start of December, this is how the portfolio looks like. Amazon is our top holding, followed by Google and Facebook, and so on. Our top three stocks make up about 47.13% of the portfolio. And our top 13 stocks, which are these stocks over here, make up about 76.64% of the portfolio. We can take a look here at some of the biggest losers this year. Visa, MasterCard, Booking. Baba has been a very big loser. Twilio, PayPal. But I'm not losing confidence in these stocks. I'm a long-term investor and I believe these businesses are still very strong. They have strong moats and that they will rise again. Let's take a look at the other stocks in the portfolio. You can see we have other stocks such as Microsoft. Amwell has been a big mistake this year. I have more shares than I really want, so I'm planning to do a covered call to sell some shares once the price rises a little. Teladoc has not done well this year, but I'm quite interested in buying more shares. These are the other stocks we have. Nvidia has just flown this year. It's done so well. I wish I had bought more, but I'm happy with the current allocation. Mercado Libre is a new addition, but it hasn't done so well so far. It's fallen quite a bit. But if it falls to the 800-900 range, I might buy more. Baozun is another stock that has done very poorly this year. Ethereum has done very well. These are the other stocks we have in the portfolio. Bitcoin is 0.04%, but I'm looking forward to buying more of the ETF, which has no fees, presumably, or not as high fees as GBTC when it comes out. These are the other stocks we have in the portfolio. Some of these smaller bets have paid off, some have not, as you can see. So we have a total about 332,000 plus, and for 2021 year to date we are about 9.48%, and without leverage we are about 7.9%. So this is what we have been up to in November. You can see that we sold Expedia. We bought I believe this is Zillow. Bought Peloton. Bought Invite. We sold a put on Invite. We bought Poshmark. PaySafe. These were the assignments of Amwell shares. So sometimes the put options can go wrong, as they did over here, I would say. We sold some Google to buy those assigned Amwell shares. Sold some MSCI as well. So we bought some Nanox here as well. Bought AI. Market Access. This is a stock I've been looking at for quite some time. It's a bonds marketplace, so it seems like a good business. I bought a little finally. Bought PayPal. Sold some of the Triple Q, Stone, Co, Jumia. Sold Nanox put option, Teladoc, ArcG, Lemonade sold a put option. Sold a put option on Pinterest. Been paying some margin fees here, $3.57. Sold a put option on 23andMe and bought some Seritage. So you can see that I've been quite aggressive in selling put options during this market fall. So you can see that I have quite a number of put options right now. Most of them will end in Jan 22. And these are the ones that are been opened recently and will last for about a year plus. You can see that the market value is about 7,500. This is a little high. I think the maximum I will go is about 10,000. But even that is a bit high. So I am getting a bit over leveraged here, but the market has fallen quite a bit, so I see opportunities. And that's why I want to raise some cash. So let's take a look at how we have been doing compared to the indices and the best fund managers out there. So the Nasdaq has been doing phenomenally. It's up 25%. Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust is up 22%. S&P is up 20% plus. Even Berkshire Hathaway, I stopped including Berkshire Hathaway in the monthly comparison because I never thought that it would beat me. But here it's about up 18% for the year. Barron Fifth Avenue Fund is up about 10%. And now we talk about those that are losing to us. That's the Berkshire Focus Fund at 8%. And ARK Invest, which is negative, I think 8 or 9% here. It's not very clear here, but on Finviz we see that ARK Invest is down about 20%. Bear in mind these returns don't include the dividends or reinvested dividends, so they might be even higher for the Triple Q and the S&P. And Fundsmith, I also stopped including Fundsmith in the monthly comparison because I didn't think it could beat me, but it's up 18.5% for the year. So we're getting our ass kicked. I think some of the reasons why we've underperformed is because of Alibaba. Also some of our growth stocks like Teladoc didn't do well. The payment stocks, Master and Visa didn't do well too. Some of the put options went sour like Amwell. Baozun was another big one that's not done well. But I still haven't lost confidence in any of these businesses, to be honest. So I still think they will recover. We just have to be patient. There are some years where we have beaten the S&P overwhelmingly, but this year it looks like we're going to lag it quite dramatically. But let's see how it goes. I'm still very confident in Project 1 million. Let me know what you think of our holdings and what you think the future of Project 1 million will be. Thank you and have a great day.